At Bell Brothers, we want to provide you with the peace of mind that your HVAC system is running at optimal safety and efficiency. As a member of the Bell Brothers Comfort Club, you'll receive annual maintenance that could save you up to 40% on your energy bills, priority status if you ever need service, exclusive savings on accessories and diagnostic fees, and loyalty rewards credit towards the eventual replacement of your system. We offer 3 membership levels of annual maintenance service to fit your needs and budget. Each level includes 2 maintenance visits per year, enrollment in our loyalty program, a 21-point inspection, and a thermostat battery replacement. Additional money-saving benefits available to Comfort Club members include enhanced repair warranties, accessory discounts up to 20%, and services that meet more stringent Energy Star or ACA quality maintenance standards. Join the Comfort Club to get savings, preferential service, bonus rewards, and peace of mind. Call 515-244-8911 or visit bellbrothers.com/Comfort Club.